Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made two videos on this snazzy map.com, and I started thinking you could use this for a lake. So if you have not watched the first videos, you're going to have to watch the first videos. But I took the lake and I turned it from a, like this, and that's the way it looked, and I put left click, right click, hairline. And this isn't going to work, but if you want to draw a map, this will save you a lot of time. If you will go in and see our map, our lake is passed, and we'll fill all this in, but you can very easily, real quickly, just draw you some lines. And I haven't really looked at this too much, but it's going to bleed. So you just need to get your 2-point line or your freehand tool and draw you some lines so the bleed won't go too far. And I'm not going to do this entire map. See, like right in here, you've got some problems, but if you will draw some lines, it'll stop it from leaking. And I think we actually have it. Now, I would always suggest to take a rectangle and draw it around your box, because when you use your Smart Fill tool, if it goes beyond the outside, it's going to take you some time in the computer. And we did it with the exception we still have some roads. And if you don't want the roads, you're going to have to stop them. So just back up here and let's zoom in here. And see, we have, well, that's part of the lake, but there's evidently a road that we're not, well, like right here. There's a road that connected the lake. Just take your 2-point line. Let's try it again and see if we didn't get it this time. Nope, there's still a road somewhere that is connected to the lake. And it's just going to allow it to continually, well, here it is right here, I think. And there's probably some more, but here's a road. Just take your 2-point line or freehand tool. Now let's take our Smart Fill tool and fill in the lake. And by George, I think we have it. Then you can very easily take your Smart Fill and go from there with your lake. Now there's still, it's not perfect, but this would save you a lot of time. And now you can, left click, right click a hairline, and just take out some of these parts of the lake that you do not want. Grab your shape tool, just select all that and hit delete, hit delete, hit delete, delete, and then join these two nodes back. Get your handle and make it look part of the lake. And you got to remember, when you're drawing a lake map, it's your map. It's going to be your creation. So, and I would also, if you have X7 and above, I know my lake pretty well, so I know that these aren't there. And there's a lot of things you can do to make it even quicker than this. Then you can take these two nodes and right click and make it a line, and it'll do that. And then if you have X7 or above, take your smoothing tool, click on your line, and then just start smoothing out your lake, because you don't want all these really sharp cuts. But anyway, that's snazzymaps.com. And if you didn't see the first two videos, I made a video on how to draw a city map, would be the title. Corel Draw Tips and Tricks City Map. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.